Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been looking for a way to get access to Ahrefs' premium tools without breaking the bank, then you've come to the right place. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get almost free access to one of the best SEO tools out there. Stick around because you don't want to miss this. First things first, what exactly is Ahrefs? Ahrefs is a powerful SEO tool that helps businesses and marketers improve their website search rankings. It does this by providing detailed insights into your website's SEO performance, your competitors, and keyword research. Whether you're looking to optimize your site, do backlink research, or track keyword rankings, Ahrefs has all the tools you need. Some of the core features include Site Explorer, Keywords Explorer, Site Audit, Rank Tracker, Content Explorer. So what makes Ahrefs stand out from the competition? Let's talk about some of the amazing features that make it a favorite among SEOs and digital marketers. Backlink analysis. Ahrefs has one of the largest backlink databases, which means you can discover who's linking to your site, analyze your competitors' backlink profiles, and see how you can build more quality backlinks. Comprehensive keyword research. It covers over 170 countries, and their Keyword Explorer tool provides metrics like search volume, keyword difficulty, CPC, and click-through rates. It gives you a deeper understanding of search demand and competition. Competitor analysis. Want to know how your competitors are performing? Ahrefs makes it easy to see their keyword rankings, backlink profiles, and organic traffic stats. Content research. With Content Explorer, you can find what's working in your niche, identify gaps in content, and even uncover backlink opportunities. It's a goldmine for content marketers. Data-driven insights. This offers in-depth reports on organic search, traffic trends, and much more, which can help you make data-driven decisions for your website. Now, let's talk about the big secret. How can you get Ahrefs for almost free? Ahrefs offers a premium subscription, but it can get quite expensive. But there's a way to get a limited but useful version of Ahrefs for almost free through a service called buyahref.com. Here's the deal. buyahref.com allows you to purchase a discounted version of Ahrefs' premium tools. The service offers limited but valuable access to the Ahrefs suite, which includes features like backlink analysis, keyword research, and more. Let's know that how will we get Ahrefs almost for free? First, go to buyahref.com and open the Ahrefs pricing page. The link to the Ahrefs pricing page is in the description or pinned in the comments, so check it out. Here, you'll see multiple Ahrefs plans. If you're in India, choose the INR Indian Rupee pricing. If you're outside India, select to the USD plans. Now, pick the Ahrefs plan that fits your requirements. Don't worry if you think you might need more credits later. You can always upgrade your credit limit without changing your plan. I'm going to complete my payment now using PayPal. Once you've decided, click on Buy Now. Fill in your details and choose PayPal as your payment method. If you're from India and selected INR, you'll get the UPI payment option too, which is super convenient. Click Next, then log into your PayPal account to complete the payment. If you don't have a PayPal account, no worries. You can pay directly with your credit or debit card. I'm going to complete my payment now using PayPal, and I'll catch you right after. I've completed my payment, and now I've been redirected to the dashboard. Next, select Ahrefs and click on the Access Now button. Wait for about 5 to 8 seconds, and Ahrefs will open up. Here you can see the Ahrefs interface. Now you're all set to start using Ahrefs without any issues. If you ever want to increase your credits, just head back to the Ahrefs pricing page, scroll down, and select the amount you want to add. So, that's it for today. Have a great day.